Hence, in this problem, we have to insert five geometric means between 8 and 5832, and at the same time, then find out what is the term A5. Right. Let us how to insert geometry means. We know that geometric series it runs like this, right? First term is A1, second term is A1R, then A1R square, then A1R cube, like this, right? A1 R power n minus 1, likewise, right? Now, here, the first term is 8, right? A1 is, let's say it is 8. Then five geometric means. This is first term, then second, third, fourth, five, six. These are five times, right? And then there is a seventh term. One, two, three, four, five. Right. That is a seventh term. That means this seventh term is A R power 6. Right. This is AR. This is AR square, AR cube, AR power 4, AR power 5, and AR power 6. Now here A is already given. A is equal to 8 and AR power 6 is equal to 5 by 3, 2. Right. That means R power 6 is equal to 5832 by 8, which is equal to 729. What is 729? 729 is 3 power 6, right? We already know this. 3 cube is 27. 3 cube is 27. 3 power 4, 81. 5 is 243. 6 is 729. Right, 3 power 6 to 729, that we already know. What does that mean? That means R is equal to 3. Right, R is equal to 3. Now what we want? The term A5. A5 is A into R power 4. What is A? A is 8. 8 into 8 times 3 power 4. Right, which is what? 8 times 81, which is 648. Right, 8 times 81, which is equal to 648. This is such a simple problem. How to insert geometry means. Thank you, guys.